Feeder market recap for Monday, September 9th. Monday's feeder cattle auction day at the Joplin Regional Stockyards. Here's a look at the mid-session report. They're expecting about 14,000 head for Monday. Compared to 2 weeks ago, steers uneven, 6 lower to 4 higher. The heifers 2 to 10 lower at the mid-session. Feeder steers would have been large ones 4 to 5 weights, 275 to 315, 5 to 6 weights, 275 to 317. The 6 to 7 weights 251 to 287, 7 8 weights 236 to 262. Feeder heifers would have been large ones 4 to 5 weights 270 to 290, 5 to 6 weights 242 to 268, 6 to 7 weights 236 to 254, 7 to 7 50-pound heifers 231 to 240. Monday's also cattle auction day at the Cowboy Livestock Center in Kingdom City. They're expecting about 2,500 head for Monday. Some mid-session sales for Monday: 84 head of 6 13-pound heifers at $263 1/4, 81 head of 6 68-pound heifers $253, 60 head of 8 58-pound steers $235.75, 60 head of 8 56-pound steers $234, 60 head of 8 89-pound steers $232.75, and 58 head of 9 44-pound steers at $228.50. Afternoon National Slaughter Cattle Review for Monday: Southern Plains and Nebraska negotiate cash trade been at a standstill. In the Western Corn Belt, negotiate cash trade mostly inactive on light demand. Last week in the Texas Panhandle, live FOB purchases from 180 to 181. In Kansas last week at 181. In Nebraska last week from 180 to 181 with some dress delivered at 288. Last week in the Western Corn Belt, live FOB purchases from 180 to 183 and some dress delivered at 286 to 288. Looking at your estimated daily livestock slaughter under federal inspection from Monday, estimate cattle receipts at 114,000, not comparable to a week ago, 9,000 less than a year ago. Estimated hog receipts for Monday, 486,000, not comparable to a week ago and 20,000 more than a year ago. Looking at the daily direct afternoon hog report, barrels and gilts nationwide head count just under 6,000 head for Monday, from 72 to 80. Weighted average 78.48, up 169 from the previous report. Daily box beef cutout values: choice cuts valued this afternoon at $308.52, down 89 cents. Select cuts at $298.49, up $237. That's based off of 141 total loads, 71 of choice, 38 of select, 14 of trimmings, and 17 loads of grinds. That choice select spread at $10.03. The Missouri Crop Progress and Condition Report was released on Monday afternoon. 62% of Missouri's corn has reached maturity compared to 46% a year ago and the 5-year average of 34% at this time. Corn harvested 13% for the week ending September 8th compared to last year at 7% and the 5-year average of 4%. For Missouri soybeans, 92% have set pods and 23% have started dropping leaves compared to 14% at this time last year, 6% for the 5-year average, and 2% of Missouri's soybeans have been harvested. Looking at the closing futures on the Chicago Board of Trade, corn contracts: September $3.84 1/4, up a half penny; December $4.07 1/4, up a cent; and March $4.26, up 1 1/2. September soybeans closed $10 even, up 10 3/4. November $10.18, up 13, and January $10.35 1/2, up 13. September wheat closed at $5.55 1/2, up 2 1/4. December $5.68 1/2, up 1 1/2, and March $5.87 1/2, up a penny. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle: October $176.92, up 175. December $176.80, up 210, and February $177.75, up 235. Feeder cattle contracts: September $237.72, up 342. October $234.72, up 377. November $231.82, up 380. Lean hogs uneven: October closed at $78.80, down 70 cents. December $71.10, down 12, and February $74.92, up 2 pennies. Looking at the Missouri cash grain bids paid to producers, the daily trends for Monday: soybeans 11 to 16 higher, wheat 2 higher, corn 5 lower to 1 higher, and milo 1 higher. St. Louis area soybeans 998 to 1003, wheat 469 to 494, corn 394 to 401. Kansas City area soybeans 958 to 1028, wheat 519, corn 362 to 377, and milo 392. Let's look at your market recap for Monday, September 9th with the Missouri Department of Agriculture. This is Caroline Carter. Have a great day.